G'day mates, it's not every day I have something new, fun and exciting to share with you all, but today is your lucky day my friends because I have with me the mask of destiny in all its glory. The world's first personalised fit nasal CPAP mask. It's called Morf, M-O-R-F. And they named it Morf because it morphs to your face, believe it or not. It has a thermacryl seal. You put it in boiling water, let it cool for a little bit, and then you mould it to the specific specifications of your face. Unbelievable. Now, Morf's a pretty good name. I do like the branding, but personally I think it should have been called T1000. Hey, what do you reckon? All right, let's have a go, shall we? So, boiling water. And the idea is to submerge the thermacryl, the seal part. You can submerge the frame as well. You don't really want to be submerging this flexi tube at the bottom. So we just put it in like this. And they say it takes around a minute. A few moments later. But what you're really looking for here is for the thermacryl seal to change from white to clear. It's like one of those old school mouth guards. Remember when you were a kid and you go to the chemist and you buy the mouth guard, put it in the boiling water and then you put it in your mouth there and bite down? Now the amazing thing about this seal, it's magic, is if you stuff it up, let's just say you boil it, you put it on your face, and then you start your CPAP up and you're like, oh no, I'm getting a little bit of air coming out this section here. I need it a bit tighter. You put it back in the boiling water and it reverts to its exact original shape. You can bend it out of whack any way you like. Put it in boiling water, whoop, goes back to the normal original shape. Reformer, transformer, whatever you want to call it. All right, I think we're pretty good to go. Now, before we do a fit, I want to tell you one thing, and that is there are going to be a lot of people super excited about this mask, and the reason being skin allergies. Very hard to find a mask if you've got a latex, silicone allergy, sensitive skin. This will be your silver bullet. So I'm super pumped for this mask for exact. Fuck, it's too early for a video. For that, give me some fucking coffee. Oh, that's better. All right, so you can see here, you can now mold it. Let's do it. So just put it above my top lip, just press down a little bit, there we go. Get that nice and centered in the middle of my forehead. There we go. And now, I'm just gonna mold around my nose. There we go. You really should be doing this lying down, but ain't nobody got time for that. There we go. Custom fit right there. Check that out. All right. No leaky, a little bit of leaky here where my facial hair is. So there you have it, guys. Morf, the T1000 mask, invented by a Kiwi in partnership with Airway Management. my tap, bap, 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 bap. Congratulations. Is it the best mask I've ever tried? No, but for some of you, it'll be exactly what you're looking for. You've got skin allergies, perhaps you've got a narrow bridge, a raised bridge, any sort of problem up here with the top of your nose. If you're really struggling, custom mold, and away you go. I'll put some more information in the description down below so you can check it out. SleepHQ Pro members, 20% off if you want to try it. Until next time, sleep well, look after your mates. Have a great day. Cheers, bye. G'day, mates. This video was sponsored by Bob, Ethel, and SleepHQ.com. Upload, review, and share your detailed CPAP reports with anyone from anywhere. Visit SleepHQ.com and create a free account in seconds.